Hey guys, welcome back to Mybartender. Today we'll be teaching you how to make the Blackberry Bourbon Smash. First, add 4 blackberries to your cocktail shaker. Next, add 2 lemon wedges. Next, add a handful of mint. Next, add half an ounce of simple syrup. Now muddle the ingredients. Next, add 2 ounces of your favorite bourbon. Next, add ice to your cocktail shaker and shake until well chilled. I'll fill your rocks glass with ice. Now for this cocktail, we're going to use our mesh strainer to double strain. Finally, garnish with a lemon wheel, fresh blackberries, and a mint sprig. And that's how you make the Blackberry Bourbon Smash. Cheers.